Okay, so now that the tsuru is in place and it's holding both the sakigawa and the tsukagawa, now we're gonna tie the Nakayui. I'm first gonna show you the most standard way. So what you do here, choose about maybe 30 centimeters just below the knot. It's gonna depend on where the knot is on your shinai, but usually just below the knot here of the bamboo, you're gonna turn the Nakayui 3 times like this, and then I think it's better to just watch than me explaining, but okay. And once this is done, I like to make this piece a little smaller, because if it's too big, when you do the kamae, that big bulge here is gonna be catching your attention. So you want to keep this very small. So I usually do this many times, and then I take a tool like this to just give a little space here, and then tuck in the remaining. And then if there's a remaining here, I just cut it with the scissors. And that's it. That's done. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the second way of tying the tsuru. This is the way I usually do, and it makes the knot here much smaller than the usual way. So again, the same way, I go around 3 times. Now I mark it where the loop's gonna start, so it's about here. So what I do is from here I cut the leather like this in half. So as you can see, from up to here is the same, it's the original thickness, and then from here I make the leather thinner. Okay, so once this is done, then I go back and roll over 3 times, and then now I do the same type of loops. But as you can see, this time this part is much smaller than what we had before. And then I take this, make a little space here, and I just tuck it in, and then cut off the remaining. So this makes this loop much smaller. And once this is done, I take all this excess, for example this thing here, I just cut it off. You can take off this strings also. Okay. Maybe I can cut up this one too. And now we're ready to practice. Thank you.